It's 19th of July, and on the Tuesday itself, time is 4:04 p.m. in Singapore time. My name is Dylan. Welcome to my on-the-spot trading analysis video. I was looking at the pound against the US dollar since we have the CPI later on. That's going to happen at 4:30 p.m. 26 minutes more to go, and my report has said that it will fall, and I missed this wave. But in any case, since we have a pound dollar, let me just talk about it. The pound against the US dollar, as I have mentioned, has made a major retracement all the way back to a previous high, or rather at a major resistance at 1.3487, begins to fall, created a lower high that suggests the price may fall further. Alright, so in the 1 hourly chart, I have plotted a falling trend line connected pretty well. So into the 50-minute charts, it will you can see the structure, the trend line that's connecting to the top of the high of the candlesticks pretty nicely. So yes, it just breaks lower, and in any case, later at 4:30 p.m. the CPI may just apply the new trading strategy and more favorable towards the downside, because I do believe that in any case, post-Brexit will continue to weaken the economy, at least for now. So the pound is likely to depreciate further in the longer run. Alright, so that's for the pound against US dollar. So next we have the euro against the US dollar. Alright, I'm expecting the price to appreciate first in the shorter time frame. In the 4-hourly chart, we've seen that there's a falling trend channel that's connected very well, omitted this part because this is due to Brexit, after which when it stabilizes down, it got supported and starts to move into a very a huge consolidation, sideways consolidation. So right now the price is somewhere at the bottom of it. Again, I'm omitting this candle right here because that was on the Friday before the market closes. So that's what happens to close below. It's not a real break in any case, so it is still supported. So looking for a buy opportunity towards the top of the range, towards the top of the consolidation itself. And because I do believe that the price will still continue to appreciate within a channel right here, towards the top of the major falling trend channel that you can see in the in the day one charts. Alright, so simple as that. So but of course, do take note that Thursday itself we have the ECB press conference, which most of the time may cause the euro to depreciate, but yep, so just that take note of that. So that's for the euro against US dollar. Next we have the dollar against the Swiss franc. Day chart itself, as I have mentioned for the longest time, has broke above the top of a rising trend channel. If I pull this out, Alright, so in any case, expected the price to appreciate further, since we also have a lot of very positive economic data from the US itself that may cause the dollar to appreciate due to a rising sentiment of a probable rate hike this year from the Federal Reserve. So since they broke above, have made major retracement, as we can see in the smaller time frame, for example the 1 hourly charts, and right now it is in a 1 hourly chart forming a rising trend channel as well, or rather the 4 hourly chart itself. So and the price is at the bottom of it, and within that there has a minor rising trend channel as well. So I expected the price to appreciate further from here, and we just seen that the price has pulled back from the bottom of the minor rising trend channel. That signals of the price to appreciate further, and from here we can see that the price appreciated, rebounded off, okay, goes up, upwards and sideways consolidation, right? Upwards consolidation, that's what I'm waiting for. So I'm expecting the price to appreciate further towards the top right here. Take note of the major resistance at 0.9890, which is also at the top of the minor rising trend channel, but do expect that it can go even further to the top of the major rising trend channel. So that is for the dollar against the Swiss franc. And we still got some time, so let's talk about the dollar against the Japanese yen. Why do I have okay, so dollar against the Japanese yen, of course we do know what happens to the yen. No because RBI announced something towards a easing of monetary policy. They're going to print more money, in the sense up to 10 trillion a month. So we have seen that the price has recovered from the lowest at 100 somewhere here, jumps all the way right now is at 106. Wow, so this is a pretty high level that we can expect the price to finally resume some depreciation before the yen weakens further, as they expect the Bank of Japan to weaken to ease their monetary policy further. Well, if that's the case, we have seen that 1-time, 2-time resistor at a key level 106.19. Maybe we can look for the sell opportunity. From the current price right now, you can have your, let's make a little bit of adjustment, minor adjustment set about 30 pips above, short from somewhere the price right here. I think that still sounds like a good plan. Or you want to wait for it to test the 106.88 resistance level again to go for the sell. I just find that this is really overbought for the dollar against the Japanese yen, oversold for the yen itself. Let's see if there's anything I can see from there. Okay, so we do take note that in the day one chart we can see that is the major support term resistance level. So this level is worth the try to go for the sell from here. Alright, but of course again, always have a trading plan clear enough before you try out trades like this. And in any case, there's already a magic candle, a confirmation that covers more than 100% of the previous candle. So that still looks good, but it's still a little bit, structure is a little bit too small to take that into consideration. So in any case, to be more conservative, you just want to wait for the price to retest 106.28, see if there is a reversal signal, then we can go for the sell. So that is for the dollar against the Japanese yen, and take note of this trend line that supported the price upwards. So this is a sideways consolidation as well. Okay, and it wouldn't be a surprise if the price continues to break higher and appreciate further from there. So you really have to be clear with the trading plan. Alright, but if you take this trend line as an example, then there's still room for it. Alright, so that's our dollar against the Japanese yen. 2 more minutes to go. I'll just talk about New Zealand. Aussie against the US dollar. Alright, so day chart itself, we have seen the price, or rather the 4-hourly chart, there's a rising trend channel. Price is currently right now seated at the bottom of the channel itself, but as it came down, alright, just before that, it did not actually reach the top of the rising trend channel. That is a signal of a reversal based on the trend channel. Alright, and if you look at the depreciation, the previous depreciation right here, there's about 100 pips from the top to the bottom, about 100 pips. He has just completed its second wave of depreciation and may resume appreciation should the price be get supported here, starts to appreciate. That's when you might want to go for the buy instead, because this is caused by how do you call that, speculation that the Reserve Bank of Australia may cut the cash rate, and especially this morning 9:30 AM we have the monetary policy meeting minutes that also helps to push the Aussie down further. But still, we're waiting for the cash rate. That will be the main event that cause the Aussie to really start to depreciate. So in any case, I just find this a little bit oversold. So I do believe there's a chance for the Aussie against the US dollar to rebound off, reverse again, start to appreciate again, and wait for the right time for the currency to start falling again, because right now we have seen that the current price level for the Aussie against the US dollar above 75 cents, or rather right now it's at 75 cents. There is an uncomfortable level for the Reserve Bank of Australia, and they have already started to make noise saying that currency level is too high and stuff like that. So very highly they will cut interest rate in the coming month in August, but that will require the currency to be a little bit more strong, rather than if it continues to weaken all the way to 74 cents, 73 cents, that will decrease the probability of a rate cut. So I do believe that the currency level will still continue to appreciate from here. Alright, that is a quick fundamental analysis for you. So alright, with that, have come to the end of today's trading analysis video. So thank you for watching. I'll see you again tomorrow. Just before that, let me just go through the calendar itself. Alright, so yes, 4:30 PM, please take note of it. Tonight we have the from the UK NBC member broadband speaking. New Zealand, we have the GDP price index I'm not going to talk about New Zealand dollar for today. And tomorrow we still have the pound news, average earnings index, and claimant count change. Alright, so with that, see you again tomorrow. Thank you for watching.